Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens in the Riviera this morning in Torrance, where we've installed one of our Majestec invisible security screen doors here on the front of our customer's home. You can see it looks much like a regular insect mesh or fly screen, but if we take a closer look, this is our stainless steel security mesh, which can't be cut with a knife, isn't going to be broken free from its frame. Looks absolutely beautiful. Doesn't look like a security screen door at all. Also provides excellent view inside the home looking outward. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, you can always do so at 855-Majestec, or give us a call or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks for joining us today, and I'm sure we'll talk to you soon.